Hello and welcome to another video of Vice Versa. Are you tired of spending hours typing out long and complicated messages only to find the results are kind of average? Do you find yourself having to read through long research papers or articles for work or university when a well-written summary would be enough? Don't worry, as I'm here to introduce you to Chat GPT, the AI powered chatbot that solves these issues and so many more for you. In this video, I'll show you how to use Chat GPT in everyday scenarios to superpower your work life, studying, or just to make communicating with other human beings via text way easier. Best of all, it is still in beta and completely free, so there is really no reason not to try this out. Using ChatGPT as a personal writer. You can use ChatGPT as a personal writer that is available to you 24/7. It is as well educated as the internet and can use various writing styles. Let me show you this in practice. Say, you are at work and your boss gave you an extra task and you don't have the time to complete it without neglecting other tasks. Instead of tediously writing an email and checking it multiple times to ensure it is polite and well written, simply say, write me a business email to my boss that tells him the new task I received requires me to give up other projects. And there you have it. A perfectly structured, polite, and to the point email. But maybe you don't want an email but a WhatsApp message. No problem. Just ask ChatGPT to write a WhatsApp message for me. Using ChatGPT for writing assignments. ChatGPT can also help with essays, blog articles, or even reports if you feed it some of the information you came up with. Best of all, it is really good at the English language, so there will be no mistakes when it comes to grammar or vocabulary. However, always double check the information because sometimes it can mess up. Personal questions and advice. One of my favorite use cases of ChatGPT is that it can answer personal questions related to relationships or mental health and come up with a great advice. For example, you can ask, what are some creative ideas for Christmas present that my mother would enjoy? And the results are incredible. These ideas are more creative, unique, and interesting than most human advice on the same topic. Using ChatGPT for analogies. ChatGPT also has an analogy maker that allows you to create analogies for various situations in life. This will come in really handy in business but also in a personal communication. For instance, you can ask ChatGPT, give me an analogy to describe the snowfall outside. And tada, it will provide you with some witty and creative options. Summarizing long articles with ChatGPT. Lastly, ChatGPT can also provide you with a summary of long articles. If you find yourself scrolling through a long piece of advice or article, just ask ChatGPT to summarize this article for me, and you'll see ChatGPT doing the magic for you. In summary, ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that can revolutionize the way you work, study, and communicate. It is available 24/7, completely free, and super easy to use. So what are you waiting for? Give ChatGPT a try today and superpower your writing, problem solving, and critical thinking skills. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. We'll keep bringing you the latest and greatest technology to help you succeed in every aspect of your life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.